This episode is about all the little things that can happen when you're threading the sewing machine. So when you pull the thread through the machine, make sure it's long enough so that when you cut it and you lick it, you only have a little piece of the thread to put through the needle hole. And then with your left finger, you push that thread. Once you get it through, go like this onto the needle, and with your right hand, then grab it and pull. What other things? And that's what Donna is now working on.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it in the hole.
And come in through the front, straight with the left hand, not the right. Make sure the thread's long enough. Come in straight in through the middle, straight in. It's usually when everyone's having that between that last two steps. And then don't forget, when you do the bobbin, you have to have a loop.
Oh, I see what happened.
What was it, Donna?
I think whenever I cut the thread, it split into two on the end.
Oh, yeah.
So when I'm trying to put it into the hole, it gets all wound up in there because the hole is very small. So you have to make sure that you lick the end of your thread to where it's very sharp. So it has to be sharp for you to be able to stick it in the hole.